Welcome to our guide on trading in the Forex market for 2025. Are you ready to enhance your trading strategy? Let's dive in. In Forex, over 70 currency pairs exist, but professional traders focus on a select few. Why? It's all about liquidity and volatility. Choosing the wrong pair can cost you money in spreads and slippage. Today, we'll break down currency pairs into three categories, helping you create the perfect watchlist for 2025. First up, we have the major pairs, also known as the Big Six. These pairs include USD and account for a significant share of trading volume. They feature the lowest spreads, typically between 0.0 and 1.0 pips. High liquidity ensures fast execution and minimal slippage. They are predictable and respect major technical analysis. The major pairs include EUR, USD GBP, USD USD, JPY USD, CHF AUD, USD USD, CAD. For beginners, we recommend sticking to either EUR, USD or GBP, USD for their low risk and high liquidity. Next, we have the minor pairs. These consist of major currencies paired together without the US dollar. Examples include EUR, GBP and GBP, JPY. These pairs tend to be more volatile. For instance, GBP, JPY, often referred to as the beast, can swing aggressively. However, spreads are slightly higher, making them less ideal for tight scalping on small accounts. Then, we reach the exotic pairs. These are pairs that include a major currency and a developing economy. Examples include USD, MXN and USD, TRY. But be cautious. They come with massive spreads, often 50,100 pips wide, low liquidity, and high overnight financing costs. Beginners should avoid these pairs. Understanding currency correlations is critical for risk management. Pairs can move together or in opposite directions. For example, EUR, USD and GBP, USD often move in the same direction, which can double your risk on US dollar exposure. In contrast, EUR, USD and USD, CHF usually move in opposite directions. Thus, buying one and selling the other can lead to redundant risk. To effectively manage your risk, use the Forex correlation matrix. Timing is everything in trading. Each global session presents unique opportunities. During the Asian session, consider trading USD, JPY or AUD, USD. In the London session, GBP, USD and GBP, JPY are excellent choices. During the New York session, stick to EUR, USD and USD, CAD for high volatility. In conclusion, you don't need to trade 20 pairs. Focus on mastering one or two major pairs that suit your trading style and timing. Specialization is key to mastery and protecting your capital from liquidity and correlation risks. Start your trading journey with confidence. Master your watchlist for 2025. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Forex trading for 2025. Ready to refine your trading approach? Let's get started. In the Forex market, there are over 70 currency pairs, but experienced traders prioritize a few key options. The reason lies in liquidity and volatility. Selecting the wrong pair can result in losses due to spreads and slippage. Today, we will categorize currency pairs into three groups. This will assist you in forming an optimal watchlist for 2025. First, we focus on the major pairs, often referred to as the Big Six. These pairs involve USD and dominate trading volume significantly. They generally showcase the lowest spreads, typically ranging from 0.0 to 1.0 pips. High liquidity guarantees quick execution and minimal slippage. They are reliable and adhere to major technical analysis. The major pairs consist of EUR, USD, GBP, USD, JPY USD, CHF AUD, USD, CAD. For those new to trading, we advise starting with either EUR, USD or GBP, USD due to their low risk profiles and high liquidity. Next, we explore the minor pairs. These consist of significant currencies paired together without including the US dollar. Examples include EUR, GBP and GBP, JPY. These pairs tend to exhibit higher volatility. For instance, GBP, JPY, nicknamed the Beast, can experience dramatic swings. However, their spreads are somewhat higher, making them less suitable for tight scalping with smaller accounts. Lastly, we examine the exotic pairs. These pairs integrate a major currency with one from a developing economy. Examples include USD, MXN and USD, TRY. Exercise caution here. They often feature large spreads, usually between 50 to 100 pips, low liquidity, and increased overnight financing fees. New traders should steer clear of these pairs. Understanding currency correlations is essential for effective risk management. Pairs can trend together or in opposing directions. For instance, EUR, USD and GBP, USD often move synchronously, potentially increasing your risk exposure to the US dollar. Conversely, EUR, USD and USD, CHF usually trend in opposite directions, illustrating that buying one while selling the other could result in unnecessary risk. Utilize the Forex correlation matrix for efficient risk management. Timing plays a crucial role in trading success. Each global session brings distinct opportunities. During the Asian session, consider trading USD, JPY or AUD, USD. The London session offers great options with GBP, USD and GBP, JPY. In the New York session, prioritize pairs like EUR, USD and USD, CAD, which tend to have high volatility. In summary, it's unnecessary to trade numerous pairs. Focus on mastering one or two major pairs that align with your trading style and timing. Specialization is vital for achieving mastery while safeguarding your capital against liquidity and correlation risks. Embark on your trading journey with assurance. Perfect your watch list for 2025.